We are in Little Rock, Arkansas, and it's snowstorm coming here. Right now temperature is 15 degrees. You can see that. And at night temperature gonna be 10 degrees. I wanna check this Chinese made heater in 10 degrees cold temperature. Is it possible camping just stay night in the truck like mine, or it's not possible? It's gonna be work all night long or not? I wanna fill out full tank of diesel. Tank is inside right there undercover, because I stay in this vehicle on hunting where the temperature at night like 32, 28 degrees. But now I wanna check it in coldest temperature what is possible in Arkansas. For this reason now we prepared this truck for night. I don't wanna install it at all. I just wanna put my seat down and put my sleeping bag there. I use this sleeping bag like blanket, and this sleeping bag I will use an additional if it's gonna be too cold. I think I will sleep in jeans, my sweater, but if it's gonna be too hot I will take it down. If it's gonna be too cold I will use this extra sleeping bag. And now we're gonna install our heater. I got plans to put battery right there inside to keep it warm. Maybe it's gonna be working a little bit longer and better. It's my battery from Walmart, 690 MCA, or something like that. Simple and easy. It's gonna be stay right there to keep it warm. Now we need to shut the door and open the window. We open our window and I got something like that. Piece what I installed right there. Now when we install it, look here, now I need to shut the window. Push thermostat, we need it inside. Our power 2, wire 2 inside, and it's ready. We put heater right there. I just block this little hole with socks, wool socks, to prevent cold get in. Now last step, we installed our heat pipe from heater to our truck. Just tied this clamp like that and hook it to the truck right there. Maybe like that. Okay. Now everything ready. 8 p.m. I'm gonna come here, get in, show you temperature, what it's gonna be, turn on our heater and start camping in the 10-degree weather. And we will see this Chinese heater gonna be work for us, or it's just for temperature like 25, 28 degree. Really I need installed this heat pipe, but I wanna check it in like it is, because I usually use it like that. 8:34, January 15, Monday. Temperature is 13 degrees in Little Rock, Arkansas. And we going to our truck and try check this Chinese made diesel heater. Well guys, I completely set up my heater. It's working already for almost 40 minutes. It's warm up my truck. Now it shows 44 degree right there. What is outside temperature? Outside temperature is 14 degree right now. Heater working already almost hour, 56 minutes. Temperature inside is 60 degrees. Looks like I don't need right now at least my sleeping bag. I will put it in the front, and I don't need my warm socks. And looks like I don't need my warm hat too. Let's leave it here for some reason. Who knows what's happened at night. But anytime I can go home if heater quit working. Okay, time is 9:36 and it's time to go sleep. But if nothing changes, see you in the morning. If something happen, or temperature drop, or heater quit working, I'll let you know. Okay. I woke up. Now it's 5:50, like you see, and I'm okay. What is temperature? Temperature is 68. Did you see it? Degree. Pretty good. What is outside temperature? Let's check it outside temperature. What's it? It says on my cell phone. Weather. But inside is pretty good. I'm not cold. I don't have a hat. But I still got sweater and my jeans. See? Just one blanket, like you see. And what time is it? 5:53. We can sleep couple hours. see what's happened in a couple hours. Guys, the time 6:32, and just my heater quit working. Thermometer is showing me 61 degree. I sleeping, I didn't hear how it stopped working, but I'm thinking fuel is gone. But I can go outside and add the fuel and start heater again, or I can wake up because 6:33, it's time to wake up. Let's go outside and try add some fuel. We'll see what problem is. But it's working almost 10 hours. 9:55 on full tank of fuel. No, fuel is here. What wrong is it? Okay. Let's, I don't know what's happened. Error E01. Let's check online what it is. It says under voltage. Your battery does not have enough power. Okay. Let's take another one battery and try another one battery. It means, see, my battery is dead. I will bring new battery. It's not new, but maybe it's got some juice. Okay, guys. Let's start it. We start it again on second battery. This is my battery, not so good like this one, but let's see what's happened, because temperature dropped to 51 already. We will see how long it takes for him to start it and start heat it up. But it's happened. See, it means you need good battery to stay all night warm. My battery, I thought it's pretty good, but maybe not. Oh, air start coming warm. It means good. I don't think I'm gonna sleep, but I'll show you. Temperature is 49 degrees inside right now. Temperature, if heater stop working, temperature drop fast. It's warm. It means our heater is starting. See, red button. We in the business, it takes 6 minutes from push the button to start hot air coming here. Yep, it's here. Okay, now we in the business again, but how you see, it's already sunrise. Second red one, it means our heater in full speed in 7 minutes. And what is outside temperature, it says. Where is our temperature? Little Rock. 7 degrees. See, it's already 50. Heater working warm this car really fast. But time feels good, 50 degrees. Okay, what I wanna say about this heater. This heater is good, but you need good battery, and you can stay all night long without any problem. Thank you for watching. Now I'm going home and have a breakfast.